How can I stop receiving messages from a contact on WhatsApp without blocking them?
Hello and welcome to our quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic: how to stop receiving messages from a contact on WhatsApp without blocking them. This is a handy feature if you're getting too many messages from a particular contact but don't want to block them entirely.
Why might you need this?
Sometimes, there can be instances where you're being bombarded with too many messages or you simply want to avoid communication with someone for some time. Blocking may seem too extreme in these cases, hence WhatsApp provides another feature to save the day, the mute feature. Muting a contact on WhatsApp will stop you from receiving notifications from them, but their messages will still arrive in your chat log.
How to mute a contact on WhatsApp?
Step 1. Open the contact's chat first. Open WhatsApp and navigate to the chat with the contact you want to mute. Step 2. Open the contact's info tab on the contact's name at the top of the screen to open their info. Step 3. Mute the contact. Scroll down until you see the Mute Notifications option. Tap on it, then choose the duration you want to mute the contact for. You can choose from 8 hours, a week, or always. Step 4. Confirm the action. Finally, confirm your selection by tapping on the OK button. Remember, this will only mute notifications from this contact. Their messages will still arrive in your chat log, but you won't get any notifications when they do.
What about group chats?
Group chats can also be a source of many messages. The good news is that you can mute them too. The process is identical to muting a contact. Just open the group chat, tap on the group name, and select Mute Notifications. So, there you have it. That's how you can stop receiving messages from a contact or a group on WhatsApp without having to block them. Remember, this method won't prevent messages from coming in, but it will stop those pesky notifications from popping up. Hope this guide has been helpful, and feel free to revisit anytime you need a refresher. Stay connected safely.